Hello, welcome to this video for the VW Up. It's the 1 litre, there's a 999cc petrol. It's called the BlueMotion technology. See there, BlueMotion technology, that's the model name. It's in this is it night blue metallic. It's a very nice, like a navy blue colour. Metallic paint, of course. It's got these 15-inch alloy wheels. Very nice car. However, this was light damage repaired back in 2016, and we believe it was this front corner here, so bumper and that wing. That's what I believed it was back then. So it's been in use ever since. The lady owner that's just traded this one in for a £15,000 Mini. So she bought the £15,000 Mini from us, and she's had this car since 2017, so she's had it a lot of years. Obviously, and she's maintained it properly, which will show you all the receipts and services in a minute. So let's start off on the bodywork. Let's start on this corner. So this bumper corner, nice and tidy. That quarter panel, good as well. The alloy wheels described as in good condition. There are a few light scratches up on close inspection, like there. That's all, but nothing major. Bodywork's very clean. It's just been machine polished as well, so there's no tar spots, etc. anywhere. The wing mirrors are tidy condition. That one's got a little touching on the edge there to report. Other than that, the wings are very good. There's no rust appearing on the arches there at all. That alloy wheels in good condition. We're about to fit 2 front tyres on this as well, so this time of this video I've just booked for 2 brand new front tyres to be fitted as well. That bumper, clean condition. Just had a new set of number plates made for them as well, because the old ones were looking a bit tired. The old ones are in the boot still. They're the metal ones from the original VW dealer. The bonnet's in tidy condition. Headlights are nice and clear. Windscreen is very good. It looks like an original one as well. It's got the VW AG there. It's even got the sticker as well from the VW dealer that serviced this on the first few years of its life. So it was serviced by the VW dealer in its first couple of years in its life. That wing's very tidy. So that door, that wing mirror is very clean. That door there, nice and clean. The roof is clean as well. That's that door's in tidy condition. That rear quarter is in tidy condition as well. Nothing major there. That last alloy wheel. This bumper corner in tidy condition. The lights are very clean. And the glass is clean as well on the rear. Okay, the roof at the back. It's nice and clean. Let's open the tailgate. So we've got a parcel shelf here. We've got a, what would you call it now? A dual floor height. So it's got this board here, and then down there it's got a deeper space there for the boot. It's about, it's a good 10 inches, that one. So it's a different, it's a storage space, of course, so you can put things there, etc. It's got a steel spare wheel, a jack and brace kit there. And it's also got the 2 number plates with the original VW dealer's name on. Top of the bumper is relatively tidy. Slight mark just there on the paint there. And that's it. Up here is nice and tidy as well. It's got a little grab handle to pull the boot down. The original Harlow Volkswagen sticker there from 2012. So this was registered 31st of October 2012. It is the 0 tax one as well. Okay, so the back seats in tidy condition. It is a 4-seater, by the way, so there's just 2 seat belts in the back. Okay, door cards all nice and clean. Electric front windows, central locking, Tidy storage there. The door shuts are nice and clean. Pedals are all nice and clean as well. Just ordered a set of car mats for this as well, so brand new car mats will be included in the sale. All the door shuts are nice and tidy. There's no trap seatbelt marks there, and the seat's got the side airbag as well, and then the seat there is in tidy condition for the mileage. Normal lights there. 2 keys. Let's get in. The first thing you notice, technology package, it includes this Garmin sat nav and Bluetooth computer here, which is detachable, by the way. So there's a little button there you press and that just pops off. You can put that in the glove box. It's got a little pouch there as well to put it in. That's the Garmin. So yeah, there's a few features on there. Press the phone, etc. Go back, media, car information. There we go. Trip computer. So it's got all this extras. Air conditioning as well there. Stop start button. Obviously that's why it's zero tax. Stop start as well, so zero tax on this year. Down here, nice and clean. It's got a drinks holder there. 12 volt power supply. Got a little lever gator for the gear lever. 5-speed. Down here you've got another drinks holder at the back here. The handbrake. Adjustable steering wheel column. So that's this column there, adjustable. So we can move that up and down. So we can move that down or up. Should we say today's mileage 76,934. So 76,000 miles, and look, we've got over half a tank of fuel. Obviously these fuel tanks aren't very big. I think it's about 25 to 30 pounds to fill this up to the top. So that's kind of good news. The 1 litre engine, which is a 3-cylinder, and it has had the timing belt changed as well. Let's look at the logbooks. The logbooks, the lady in question has had this vehicle since 2017. It's acquired that. You can see it is the 999cc 095 GKM. So it's zero tax, registered 31st of the 10th 2012. Total number of keepers, 4 former keepers, but the last one was actually a garage. There you can see from Bradford, which she bought it from. So that was the garage she bought it from. And we've got all the receipts, a new MOT as well, a recent MOT, was it? Yes, the other day. So this expires. So it's done, carried out on the 19th of the 10th. Oh, wait a minute. No, sorry, we're having a new MOT. Sorry, that expires next month. So we're taking it to have a new MOT. So that will have a new MOT on it. Just reverse this to let somebody out. See you later. Yeah, so it's got the all the receipts here as well. So the receipts here, so the last one was carried out last year, 2022, and that was for a coil spring. This is the one in question by this place here, and it is a supply and fit new timing belt kit and water pump. £360, so not over expensive, so quite, and that was done at 72,100 miles. So she's done about 4,000 miles since that was done, and that was carried out in May 2022. Some more service items here as well. 64,000 miles, so it was service with air filter, oil filter, etc. That was £144. And then before that, 2019, the last invoice we've got here, brake cylinders, wheel bearings, MOT, so another £313 spent. Then before that, in 2018, full service from this place here, £226. And then in 2017, tyres, wipers, MOT, £360. So since this lady's had it in 2017, she's looked after it every year without fail. The only reason she's traded it in is because she's about to retire, so she's going to get she's bought the Mini off us. So very good. So the service book, we've got the service booklet, and all the book pack is all there, and we've got all the let's have a look here. We've got all the services, all the service stamps from new as well, and obviously most importantly of all, the last service, which was carried out then 5th 2022, and then it says it's got their stamp there, and it's ticked the tooth belt changed. So that's been ticked, that's the mileage. So that's most important when buying a car, the cam belt. And we obviously have got to make sure these have been done, because with this vehicle also comes with a 1-year warranty. And the warranty providers, if in the event of anything should go wrong with the engine, they will ask when was the cam belt done, etc. And if there's no proof, then you know it's not a valid claim. So obviously it's not being maintained to a certain standard. So all our vehicles have the timing belts changed, and if they need doing, they will be replaced. So that's good, that was done last year. And that is about it. So it comes with a new MOT. In fact, we'll have it serviced as well, because it is due a service, although it's not done much mild. I'm going to take it for a service. So new MOT, new service. It's going to have 2 new front tyres as well. So all ready to go. And a very solid little car indeed, these. Very solid. So if you're going to get a little car, this is probably the most solid ones available, as opposed to a Citroen C1 or a Peugeot 107, which are not of high quality. Okay, if you've got a part exchange, we will consider a part exchange on this vehicle. We possibly can do finance on this vehicle as well. It will be for a short term, maybe a 3-year maximum term on this vehicle. But please get in touch. Any questions, please let us know. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you soon.